the last segment, we presented to you the third project under the category of protecting and revitalizing the city's built heritage. In this segment, we will move on to the seventh and last category of this online course, which is that of addressing the needs and challenges relating to post-conflict cities. Warfare, unfortunately, is a continuous part of human history. At any given time, there are cities, and more importantly, there are the people of those cities who are suffering as a result of warfare. With time, the warfare and the violence subsides, and then there is an urgent need to begin the process of reconstruction and healing. This process not only includes physical rebuilding of destroyed buildings and elements of the city, but also involves the reconstruction and the reweaving of the economic, social, cultural, and administrative systems and networks that allow the city to function and that give it its life.